This is Math 141, final practice test. Problem number 1, we're supposed to find all zeros for this function. So I could list all the possible zeros, factors of 90 over factors of 1, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to graph it, and I'll look at the graph of it. Let's see what I got here. Got this, so let me graph it. And it looks like it crosses, it looks like -2, that's a possibility, factor 91, and 1, 2, 3, and 5. So those looks like some possibilities. So now what I'm going to do is some, sorry about the shakiness, some division and see if those work. So let me try that -2. I'm just going to do synthetic division to get at this. So I have 1x to the 5th, -4x to the 4th, 2x cubed, -26x squared, -63x's, and 91's. And remember, like, if I didn't have an x squared, I'd have to throw in a 0 as a placeholder. So bring it down, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, 2 times 14, -28. And then I'm going to add those together, 26 and 28, -54. Multiply those together, that'd be a positive 108. Then I have 108 minus 63. 45 times -2, -90. Great, so -2 works. That's one of my zeros. I'll keep trying. Let me try that. Let me try that 1. Bring it down, multiply, add, multiply, add. What's that? A 9. Multiply, add, gives me a -45. That gives me a -45, 0. So 1 goes into it as well. And then I had a 5 as well, so let me try that 5. Multiply, add. My multiply, that's 0. Bring that down. Multiply, that's a positive 45. Yeah, look at that. Boom. So -2, 1, and 5 are all zeros. And notice what I'm left with now is x squared plus 0x plus 9. And so let me see what I can get out of that. Set that equal to 0, and I solve that. Subtract the 9. Square root both sides. Square root of -9 is 3i. So there are my other two zeros. And so if I list all my zeros, they were -2, 1, 5, and 3i, and -3i.